Alright, what's going on guys? I'm Nick and welcome to the GTA server. Holy crap. So this is actually GTA 5, I think it's based on number 5. But it's GTA 5 in Minecraft, and it's actually really pretty cool. So, last time I was on this, I actually haven't made a video, but last time I was actually on it, which was yesterday, I think. I went absolutely hammer, went on like a 7 kill streak, so it was crazy, everyone was just trying to kill me. And I have like loads of guns, it's crazy, I don't know what to do with them all. But I'll show you what I've been doing. Alright, so all these are closed, these are the different worlds. You got Wild West, New York Mafia and Victorian Total War. Yeah. So Greenfield Gangs is the only one open, which is where I've been. So let's just jump on that. We're going to server 1 because it's pointless going to server 2 if server 1's open. And yeah, this is my place. As you can see, got 2 guns here. I've sorted the main inventory. Like I said, I had a massive kill streak. Kill streak 7! I actually got it right. I actually said 7 just randomly. But I knew I had a good kill streak. So these are interested like storage, and I did put all my guns in these. So as you can see, there's a lot of guns and a lot of ammo. I actually got the Desert Eagle, which is absolutely insane. But I don't actually have any ammo for it, and I don't want to take it out because it's one of the most powerful guns in the game. I think, as you can see, all these damage. You can see damage 3, damage 4, damage 3, damage 1, damage 5, damage 5, damage 4, damage 3, and then damage 7. Also, I've got a sniper which is damage 12, and then I've got a damage 2 shotgun, which is sort of like rapid fire, which is pretty awesome. Also, the minecart are cars. If you didn't already know that, let me just put that like that. And I don't really know what my goal is yet. You know, people have goals of getting like apartments and, you know, houses and stuff like that. But I don't actually have a goal at the minute. But we'll jump into the world and we'll see what is going on. Right, here we go. We spawned into the world. I was getting a bit of lag because I did have Optifine installed, so I've installed it now. And I'm not sure why Minecraft just doesn't have the stuff that Optifine has in the game, because it's just so much better. It makes it more enjoyable for people with, you know, not thousands of pounds worth of equipment in your computer. But I actually have like, I think my computer costs about 300. So, you know, it's not cheap, and it's still hard to run Minecraft. But yeah, this is GTA, this is the world, this is where I've spawned. On a bridge, like a worn out train track with sponge, which is pretty interesting. So I am on my 7 kill streak. I don't think I've got like a bounty on my head. I'm really not sure how this works. Let's just jump off here. That might have been stupid. Let's just jump off up here. Like I said at the start, I'm not really sure what my goal is. Every time you open a chest, you do get like $2 I think, or $1. But yeah, we'll just. Oh, I got some pistol ammo. That's what I want from a Desert Eagle. I have to go back to spawn to pick it up because I didn't want to take it round just in case I didn't find any ammo for it. But I have the sniper, so I think we are good. So, like I said, I were on last night. Oh, more pistol ammo. And the amount of people that was just round me was absolutely insane. Like, seriously, I killed most of them. I think I've died once, but I'm still on my kill streak, which is pretty cool. But I might cut it just because this is probably going to be boring me going through chests until something happens. Got to be a it. That's damage 7, but I don't really like melee weapons on this. I think that's how I died the first time, was trying to kill someone with the knuckles, the brass knuckles you can get. Yeah, didn't go well. But yeah, like I said, I'll probably cut it and wait till something happens. While we are trying to find something happen, I could drive around in my car, which makes it pretty awesome. So these are cars, you can find them in chests, you don't have to buy them. They're pretty common, I guess. I have 2, and they have an awesome sound, which is coming out of my telly. I'm not sure that's going to mess up the audio. I hope it doesn't, because, yeah. Let me just turn that down a tiny bit. Tiny bit. No, no. There we go. Right. So let me just go through all these chests. You can find food in the chest, you can find weapons, you can find anything, but it's best to kill people because they have all the loot. Why should you find everything when you can just steal it? Just go in here. As you can see at the bottom, you looted $1 from the chest, so you can actually get you know, money from opening these chests, which is probably why I do it. But as you can see, we're getting quite a lot of stuff. There's not a lot happening. This video is probably gonna take like 2 to 3 days to make. Just saying. You know, if you drop a like button, that'd be pretty awesome. And oh. We got an Uzi. Do I have an Uzi? I don't think I have an Uzi. But that's it. I'm not sure you can get different cars. I think you can get like some weird stuff, but this is the only car I've actually ever had. I actually drove over that chest then. I'm looking out for people as well as looting these chests. I keep driving up stuff, which is it's pretty interesting. Take the cook. It's about taking the uncooked because it does nothing. And where's my hunger boy? Wait, I'm in the car. Oh, we got Desert Eagle. Yes, that's the second one. What is that? I don't think I have that either. Maybe I do. We are finding the weapons like crazy here. Let's go in this one. We'll see what happens. I haven't seen anyone yet, which is pretty good. We're getting all the pistol ammo. So the reason why I'm so like happy because of the Desert Eagle is because it's probably the best gun on the game. Because it's 7 damage and it's like it's a pistol, so it's like rapid fire. Oh, we got that again. Oh, we are going ace on the weapons today. Some assault rifle ammo. We got a carrot, a cooked salmon. Take that. Just move all the food up here. We don't need that much. We got this. So I'm not sure you can sell the weapons, but it's just nice to have, you know, a lot of them just in case I do die. And yeah, I'll need some more weapons. So it's good to have, you know, 2 really good weapons like the Desert Eagle and the Walker. So we got another car. You know, you can never have too many cars. We actually have 3 cars. Well, 4. Currently the one I'm in. I keep driving up these walls. I wonder if you can drive up a wall. Let's try this. Go! Drive up the wall. No, it's just sort of like a glitch that keeps happening to me a lot. So let's go in this chest, and we do have some pistol ammo. I'm actually going to get out of the car because that is really annoying. We'll take it with us, why not? So we go. Pretty awesome this. So, like I said, probably going to take a while to make this video because not a lot of stuff is happening at the minute. I wish I were recording yesterday. Is that a guy? Nope. Oh, the guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't kill me. Oh yeah, these cops. There's cops on this. Which is pretty nice. Actually, I had 5-star yesterday. And we killed a guy. Oh, we got... Oh, I thought that was iron. That looked like iron. Oh, he's got iron. Oh, this guy was looted. Oh no, it's not iron. It's... God damn it. So we actually pawned that guy. So we're on an 8 kill streak. This may seem a bit newbie to you, but yeah, whatever. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm actually getting really nervous because I don't know what happens when you get to 10. I wonder. I'm very speculative, if that's even a word. You know, I made a word up that I think makes sense of the something I'm trying to explain. So, you can actually get apartments like I said at the start, and I'd love an apartment. Be awesome. So I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. I might just make this one video and then do another one tomorrow or something with the footage that I get tonight, which would be interesting. But let me know if you want more videos like this, more GTA. I wonder if we can get this chest. Yes, we can. So you want to grab all the ammo you can, just for all the weapons you have. You want to grab not cars, they're not really important, unless you can get like a tank or something. If you can get them, I'm not sure. I need to look more into this, like information wise, to see like what I can actually do. But this is really good. Not sure how long the video's been. Probably like 3 minutes, maybe. And there was a guy there. So you can actually get these binoculars, which I didn't mention, which zoom in. But I do have Optifine, which is exactly the same. You can double zoom, so if Optifine zoom, and then that zoom. Which it's pretty interesting. But yeah, let's get it. You can also zoom with a sniper. Nope, not like that. There we go. So you like zooming in and out. So I did shoot, which is how much ammo do I have? I have a lot of sniper ammo, which is it's good. We can get in there. No, we can't. Now zoomed in. Can you zoom in? Nope, just shot. I'm such a noob at this. Even though I'm on 8 kills in a row, the people don't know how to stop me. Pistol ammo, that's always good. Boom, boom. More assault ammo. Oh, yeah. This is going to involve a lot of cutting, because I'm just talking gibberish to all you lovely people. I don't want to make this video too long. What is that? How did that get there? Wait a minute. Oh, there's another chest here. So I didn't see you got another car, we got some more ammo. It's plenty to take of the food because I have a lot of cooked chicken. We are all good on the food. So I might go back to spawn and then, you know, put all our loot. We have got quite a lot since we started. We've got a new gun. 2 new guns. Got a Uzi match. That's pretty awesome. But let me just loot this. It does cost 50, I think, to go back to spawn. $50, which is not good. Which is not good. I haven't seen anyone since that guy. I would hate to get killed. Like, it'd be the worst feeling ever. After all this hard work, getting all your loot. It's like kind of like DayZ. You know, you run around. Not as hard as DayZ, obviously, but it's the same concept. If you get what I mean. You know, running around looting stuff, getting the guns and killing people. Yeah. So I'm not really sure what to call myself. Like a bandit? Am I a bandit? Am I a bandit? I don't know. Maybe. It's all good. But yeah, I'm probably going to call this video here. Not a lot has happened, but you know, I'm just sort of giving you something that you could maybe want in the future, but I'm really not sure. But if you enjoyed the video, well, look, it's Chinatown. If you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you already know, and I'll see you guys next time.